like 4. I'm going to take out a little bit of this stuff here because this gets all nasty. I'm going to do something like that. All right, we're starting off this episode trying to get our stage set up and have a show today. Everything is rudimentary, no electricity, no generators, no hydraulics. It's all manual motions, winches, and basic rudimentary tools. So we're going to get set up, and they're trying to have an event outside today. And, well, we know there's going to be some weather on the way. Hey, thank you so much for clicking on this video and being part of the channel. We're growing every day, a little slower because I'm super busy, but I'm working on it. Thank you. Here, waiting for our show to not start, I think. You know, but we're going to wait here and wait to see if the promoter decides to have a show or not. We have one light that is being temperamental. It's changing addresses rapidly on its own, so we can't use that. She's unplugged now. And then looking at my other lights, look, I've got a pattern over here: white, red, white, red. Over here, I've got white, red, pink, red. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this light, the white and the red, is stuck on for some reason. Let's check our address here. Yeah, that's our right address. So why? I'm wondering if the white LEDs are just stuck on. Okay, so we're back to pink. But if I do like
they're white now. Or it was.
Like if I go to the pre-programmed,
That's red.
now it is red. Okay, so it's not okay. That's weird. Dude, I can't see this little LCD to save my life right now. Now is it right?
It's white, yeah.
Ah. All right, so we're good. They somebody accidentally switched it from like 16 channel or 6 channel mode to 8 channel mode, or vice versa.
What? That one's right?
Yeah, they
Right in my eyes.
they do that. Yeah. Today, this is not what we planned on doing today. The normal plan was going to be set the stage up pretty quick. Then it was go to another location. We have to fix a drum cage, check a wireless mic, and then have a big meeting about replacing everything in the venue, basically. And now I'm not a part of that meeting because we have to stay here and babysit. Because the promoter could or could not continue to do the show. So we literally have to sit here for that decision to be made while the meeting is happening.
Yeah.
So not going to plan today. And we'll see what happens when the band gets here. We'll see what happens when the promoter gets here. I've got a feeling that I'm just going to miss a meeting today. And we're going to end up packing this thing up. Hopefully we pack it up before rain gets here and we don't do something stupid like let the band get set up and, you know, set our stage up and then let a show start for 2 people and then it rain and cancel. I really don't want to do that today. With our stage on standby, the local sound guy has shown up and he's on the phone trying to figure out, are we going to have a show today? We were ready to go, just 4 bolts away from being ready to make noise on our end. Well, I don't think we're having a show today.
got a shower.
Yeah, free showers all around. That was not in the rider. But
Woo!
yeah, well, we can't exactly tow the stage with my Chevy Cobalt, so
At least you got it torn down before the rain.
yep, we got the stage all packed up. Gabby and I were able to do that, and the other guys gave us a hand, so we got that thing packed up pretty quick.
Yeah.
And
Fast.
we'll just see what happens on this one. No show today, unfortunately, so the rest of the day will probably be some sort of invoicing and estimates. Nothing fun. Mowing my yard if it's not raining there.
True.
So yeah, we are officially in the summer festival season, and it's going exactly how you would expect it to go. So yeah, we're just hanging around until the truck gets here, and then we're headed back to the shop. See this here? See, I can get my hand in there, and then see this big gap that goes all the way down. This is what we're trying to fix. Drum booths only work when they're closed and isolated. And then this is pushed out. So there's definitely a gap of some sort here going on. Which I can't kick that. So these are out. These are out. Okay. Alright, I guess we're gonna get the drill going, take this thing apart. I don't know what model drum booth this is, but it's nothing but foam boards wrapped in a fabric and a couple of pieces of metal to help guide the doors to close with the plexi that wraps around the front. So it's very rudimentary, a couple of drills and hammers, and we can square this thing back up real quick. And you probably have to do this once a year, maybe every 2 years, just so it doesn't really just fall over, because it becomes very flimsy if it does get pushed around and kind of unsquare. But without it, the drums would sound insane in here. I wish I knew the model number of these, because it's just they just kind of suck. Like, they work really well, but they're just not very well constructed. Okay, so everything you hear right now is from my stage monitors, and they are complaining that it's squealing. I don't really want to. Well, the hiss is something totally different. The hiss is because we have 20-some wireless microphones, and when you turn them all on and they're not working, they do that. We need an iPad to do this relatively right here. Hey. So I'm mic'd up here. Gabby and I, we rebuilt the drum cage. Look, you can't fit your hand in there now. Or it's as square and solid as it's gonna get today. Hopefully we replace it after a while. We've got some cracks in it. We've got on my iPad here, we're going to try and ring out this mic as much as we can. So wireless 1 DPA. I can tell the high end isn't taken out enough. So this microphone is notoriously bright. Hey. Hey, 1. Hey. Check 1, 2. So I'm actually going to look for a little more low end and a little more mid range on this. We're going to take out some of the high end. So I'm gonna open this up. Ooh, I fat fingered. Gabby, come here. Hey. Check 1. Check 1, 2, 3. Test 1. Actually, let me put this back where this was. Something like that. So you hear how it just sounds funny?
Yeah.
Right? Well, what I can do is I'm gonna move this back and we're gonna look for some more low end. Hear how all of a sudden I'm like fuller? I'm gonna take out a little bit of this stuff here because this gets a little nasty. I'm going to do something like that. I'm gonna go like right around in here, and then this 1 point stuff. Hey, 1, check 1, 2. Got a little something there. So is that this way? Yes, it is. But we're gonna go. Hey, 1, welcome. Check 1, 2, 3. I may need to roll this up a little bit so the low end. Hey, hey, hey. That's still ugly. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1. Hey, hey, hey. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1. Hey, 1. Hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's starting to sound more like me there. How loud can I get this before I run into any issues? Let's find out. So as I turn this one up, it'll get louder. So I'll turn it all the way down. Let's turn this up here. Hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. Check 1, 2. Hey, hey, hey. I have a little bit of like super high end, and that mid range is starting. Check 1, 2, 3. Check, check, check. Let's see what my monitors are doing. Let's see what that EQ looks like. Somebody probably, yeah. We're gonna, this here, we're gonna take that down a little bit. Check 1, 2. Hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, 3. Check 1. Pull that down a little more. These, front monitors, sometimes you have to remove a lot more for those. Ooh, ooh, hey, ooh. Check 1. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's feeling a little better. Let's go back to here. Let's turn it up even more. Check 1, 2, check. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, 1. Check 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2. Hey, hey, hey. Check 1. So if I move around now. Hey, hey, hey. 1, 2. We'll do a little walk side to side. Check 1. Hey, hey, hey. Let's get close to our wedge. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2. What do you think, Gabby?
I think it sounds fine.
Hey, hey, hey. Feel like it was better now than where it was? Check 1.
Oh, yeah.
And if I walk down here, where he walks, now it's not taking off there. Let's say I get creative and I walk back here, check 1, definitely don't have a whole lot of me there. Hey, 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 hey. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2. All right, so this, Gabby, is remote controlling this over here. Come take a look. The legendary Yamaha QL5. Dun, dun, dun. Like a sports car, unveil. So now that I did this work here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the scene button down here, and then this scene I'm going to hit store. Gonna hit store again, and okay. I know I just saved over that, so that way when people just turn it on, they have these settings now. Hopefully this helps my team on Sunday have a better day off to the next gig. Guys, we're working for a tribute band today. One of the bigger ones that I know of. that arena rock shows here, hands down, the best. If you're looking for a classic rock tribute, this is the only way to go. If you look them up online, they are the best. With the potential of a fairly large turnout today, I busted out the M32. Not because I'm necessarily going to make it sound that much better with this, but it does look cooler at front of house. And the owner of the place, he owns an X32, and he's debating on buying an M32. We definitely don't want to go with a Behringer wing. If you own one, I'm not hating on it. I just don't think it's the right direction for us to go. So anyways, we're just waiting to get the show started. Unfortunately, I never film sound checks because it's just a hairy situation to begin with. Maybe if I get a helper one day, maybe I can film some of that. So we're going to wait for the show to get started here, and this is the show as of now. These guys are smart, tricking the crowd into making content for TikTok and stuff. These blinders are the retro 6060 fixtures in this video card here.
I'm gonna keep counting, but on 2 I want you to go. Ready? Get your hands up. 1, 1.5, 2, start jumping. Don't stop, don't stop. 3, 4, 5 to the 6, 7, 8, 9 to the 11, 12. Keep my party going. 109. You my party people. What's happening? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. Thank you so much, party people. Now, shall we?
And again on this show, I'm running DCAs, 2 stereo mixes, and 3 matrix outputs. And instead of doing the matrix subs, I'm doing aux-fed subs today. Dang, my vocals sound a little hot there. But so I'm on the M32. We got the owner over here on the Chamsys Quick Q30, and we're doing pretty good today. Show's going well.